Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to show you the set interface. The set interface is a normal generic collection of elements that are unordered. You cannot have duplicate elements and it's immutable, which means it's only for reading. You can't write to it beyond the initial creation, so you have to specify the set of values that you want to store. So if I create a set, I call it set1 equals setOf, and now you specify your values. So if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, the data type has been inferred based on the values, which is an integer. We can print over this using a for loop. So it's going to say for every item in set1. So this basically just gets every item, and we can just print it out. So print line item. So let's run it, see what we get. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We can also create a set and specify the data type. To do that, we do var set1, set2, let's say equals. Actually, here we need to put colon. Now we put set angle brackets. In here we put the data type. So if I put string equals set of, and if I try and put 3 in there, we get an error. It says required string, but we're getting an integer. Whereas if I put, let's say hello, that is a string. If I put world, and if I were to put this, even though it looks like a number to us, because it's got quotation marks around it, it is technically a string, and the printing out is exactly the same. You use this for loop right here. As an extra task, I'm going to leave that to you. Let me show you how to create a set that where you can mix and match the data type. We do set any equals setOf, and so if we put 1, 2, then maybe I'll put my name in text form, and I put the value true. We can mix and match the values. Again, you can loop over it the exact same way as you have done before. And as an extra task, I recommend that you do that. So maybe you want to check if the set has a particular value. So we want to say, so if we do print line, so maybe we want to check if set3 has the value 1, this one here. So if we do, you do the name of the set, so set3 contains, and in here, let's say if I put, well, I'll put 2, but that is in there, so that is fine, and we get true. If I put 4, for example, 4 is not in this set, therefore we will get a value of false. There we go, we get a value of false. You can also use a method called contains all, which allows you to essentially check if it contains a set of values. And what you could do is, let's say set3 contains all, and the parameter that you could provide is another set. So maybe if you have a larger set of information and you have smaller subsets, you're seeing if it contains that particular set. There is methods for checking if it's empty and if it's not empty. I'll provide a link so you can see all of the extra functionality for set collection containers. But if you understand everything that we covered in this video, you'll be all good to go. As usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.